Okay, so like many yous, like you've played Roblox for years, you've always played it, you've played the games. Now there's one thing yous all have wanted, and that's 1 million Robux. But there's only two ways to get that. Either you spend thousands of dollars or you're a developer. So now I'm going to try and develop, even though I have no coding experience, I can't code at all. And I'll be using AI solely for this development. I'll be particularly using Claude and its new strongest model, Fable 5. It literally came back out yesterday. I've recorded this and it's straight up. So Fable 5 is like unbelievably smart. It'll be able to code it, I hope. Well, we're going to have to wait and see. And then also, when selecting the game type, I'm going to go with Steal a Brainrot. Because like it peaks at such high numbers, but like it's really like easy to replicate. And I'll be doing like kind of like a labyrinth maze theme, so you'll have to run around looking for the brain rots, trying to find them. Okay, so here's the prompt. I pretty much just said it's Escape the Labyrinth. I want it to be a game where you can run around collecting brain rots. I put this into AI, and then I got AI to build me out an even better prompt because just AI and AI just works best together. Well, personally, what I find anyway. So right now the AI is just plugging away. I'm gonna open up the file. 2,000, roughly about 2,000 lines of code here, and it is just eating through my tokens. I actually don't like know what's building now, so at this stage you just kind of gotta hope for the best. Hope it's actually not just eating your tokens for no reason. All right, so right now you can just see that like orange haze around the screen. So Claude just took over my computer. I walked away from it, came back to this. So it's opened up, um, like it's opened up the Roblox Studio, and it's just plugging away with the code in now. Still eating through tokens. I actually haven't seen where this work's going, but let's just hope that it's work. Oh, okay. So here we can see the base is actually starting to come together. It looks like there's a center spawn bit of the maze coming in, or the labyrinth. Actually looking very good. Okay, I'm liking how this is coming together now. So, oh, it's just pulled up the actual like overview. You can actually see the labyrinth's actually quite big. Like, still, this is all just one prompt. So I'm actually quite surprised it's doing this much. Um, let's hope for the best. So I've been just doom scrolling, and I'm just back at the computer now, and it is coming up with everything. So it's pretty much just giving me a run through of what like it's actually done. So you can see like it's given us how big spawn is, uh, like it's how to play the game, all that sort of stuff. So I'm just gonna go over and check it out now in a second. But yeah, like overall, like I'm actually surprised by how much it's eaten through roughly about like 35% of my overall tokens, which like isn't great when like for itself. 35%. So I hope there's some form of a game here, and I haven't just been scammed out and it didn't actually work. All right. So I'm done. I'm just gonna go over and have a look at the game. So here we go. I haven't actually seen it yet, and it's looking looking pretty good. So you can see it gave the four different areas. So maybe I could put like different brain rots in each one or something. I guess this is where we're that there's no bases. There's no bases, but you can kind of see what it was doing. Like I can see where the time went a bit, but I don't know if this is actually like playable. It was saying about like running around and collecting like the sacks for coins or something, but like I don't know. It's oh, they're them purple yolks. I think they're for like collecting the coins. Okay, so I'm telling you here, so to redo the middle hub, that I want it to be in a base format with dollars per second, and then like you collect cash, and then you can buy things later, something and speed up stuff like that. And then I also want the Brainrots to spawn on randomly throughout the maze. And then ask me any questions, like if it needs to clarify anything. So, yeah, pretty good. Okay, so we are in. So yeah, I can see the bases now, which is nice. It's like pushed back some of the walls, but the bases are in. I don't like assume that's like a collect cash or button or something, but still, what, 3 prompts in? We're not looking too bad. We're not looking too bad. All right, so I've just told it to like put in cash now. So I've said I forgot to record this bit, but I just told it to put in cash. So you can buy slots and to add in the brain rots themselves. So there's one that like, oh, what the. Okay, that is definitely a glitch. I don't even know what that is up there. Don't even have a clue. So I'm just gonna go around looking for one of these brain rots. So I'm actually zooming out and kind of cheating. Oh, see one down here. I don't know who that is, but at least they're spawning, which is good. Who is it? Can't even. I don't even want to pronounce that. Okay, so that's what we need to fix. It's literally just a blue box above the head. So yeah, no, that isn't great. Yeah, I'm gonna need to fix that. Feck, wrong way. Yeah, so the UI clearly needs to be updated and all. But like really, like I'm under an hour in, and it's actually turned out pretty good. Where is my base? Where is it? Where is it? All right, over here. Missed it. So yeah, it doesn't say their names or their rarity. It just says the amount per second. But I'm sure that's something like I can fix pretty easily. And they're also floating. Like look how high up he's sitting. So I want to fix that as well. Okay, so right here I'm telling it to actually make it a labyrinth. Like I went back on this because I just did it while recording by accident. But I'm telling you here, I wanted to make it an actual labyrinth. Okay, we are in. Okay, now this is looking good. Big walls everywhere. Like actually looks nice. The trees and all. Like still, obviously, like I know it's not amazing. Like see how that path's even glitched under. But nah, it's good. And these walls around the whole thing are bigger as well. Well bigger, in fact. Okay, see look, that's actually blocked. So I want every exit to be like you can go through them. But that's actually not bad. Okay, so I did something very lazy. I went online, found a forum, and I found out all of Steal a Brainrot's pricing. Because like this will make it more relatable for everyone else. So so people know what's good and what's not. And then the AI, like I don't have to write all these in manually. So I literally just put all the information in and said match up whichever ones are the same for us. And match up pricing and all that. So rarities, so then it'll know where they spawn and all that sort of stuff. I also want to add in the actual bases like parkour later and maybe swinging obstacles or rising lava or something, just make it massive. Okay, so Claude's been busy. It's now putting in the rarity, the pricing that's now matched up, and the name above. So and look, even fixed the UI. I didn't even tell it to that, and it's actually put like the correct person on my head. But I'm obviously not holding it, so I'm only changing animation or something around. But like that's actually pretty good. Like I am like actually happy with that. So yeah, this is how I'm looking after about maybe 2 hours ish, 90 minutes, and like I think it's actually good. Like I want you guys to like let me know like what you think about this. My first ever YouTube video, my first ever time doing anything like this. So do you think I will actually get that million Robux or not? And anyone who's gotten this far in the video, would you please like and subscribe? I want to try and grow out the channel, and it would actually help me out greatly. Because currently, when I'm recording this, I've 0 subscribers, 0 likes, and 0 videos. So thank you very, very much.